Hey guys, wanna know how to perform a 360 spin in Asphalt 9? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, let's start a game and I'll demonstrate you how to do it. Now just head towards your career mode, select a level, choose your car, and then select play. And there you go, our race has started. Now, to spin, it's pretty simple in Asphalt 9. What you gotta do is just double tap to spin on the left side, as you can see in the tutorial as well. Just double tap it and there you go. Super simple and easy. This boosts you with more nitro and stuff. So it's super simple. Let's just do it again, just like this. And there you have it. Perfect nitro and stuff. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.